Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Mummy Pig for Mother's Day. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Mummy Pig, starting with her cute round nose, just like this. Then, I'll sketch her face and add her two ears on top of her head. Next, I'll draw her big, bright eyes and then her happy, smiling mouth. Don't forget her little cheek right under her eyes. Now, let's draw her body and her hands. She looks so lovely, doesn't she? Mothers are always beautiful. On Mother's Day, what will you do for your mom, kids? Maybe you can pick a flower, cook her favorite dish, or draw a picture like this to show your love. Let's continue by drawing Mummy Pig's legs. Now, I'll draw Peppa Pig standing in front of her mommy. Starting with Peppa's nose, then I'll draw her face. Look, she's holding something. Can you guess what it is? Next, I'll draw her big round eyes, her two little ears, and her smiling mouth with rosy cheeks. Peppa looks so happy because she's holding a special present for her mummy. To make this drawing even sweeter, I'll add lots of heart shapes around them. So much love for Mother's Day. Now, let's bring our drawing to life with colors. First, I'll use orange to color Mummy Pig's dress. Then, I'll use red for Peppa Pig's dress. Let's add some dark purple, green, and sky blue for a colorful touch. I'll use light purple for Peppa's present. Then, I'll add dark purple for the details. Finally, I use light pink watercolor to color their skin now. They look perfect. Great job! Our beautiful Mother's Day drawing is finished. Did you enjoy drawing with me? If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can create even more fun pictures together. See you in the next video. Goodbye!
Colorful cute kids.